Unknown miscreants plant IED weighing around 5 kg in a tiffin box at Catholic school in Kanchipur this morning. Parents and school authorities strongly condemned the act. BJP Manipur Pradesh accords warm welcome to Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren at Hatta Kangjebung, says government wants a peaceful state. Private companies and organic farmer societies sign MOUs for ginger export under Manipur Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern region. And SSA and Ramsa teachers want to boycott upcoming Lok Sabha elections and to give up board examinations duty if their demands are not met before elections, Code of Conduct. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Unidentified miscreants planted an IED weighing around 5 kg placed in a tiffin box at the rear gate of Catholic school in Kanchipur under Singjamai police station in Imphal West district today. Following tip-off by early morning workers about the suspicious tiffin box in the carton, top officers of Imphal West Police rushed at the spot to inspect the situation. The police then informed a state bomb disposal team who came immediately and identified the tiffin box as containing a bomb. The bomb squad cordoned off the area and disposed of the IED safely there itself. According to state bomb disposal team, the powerful IED was planted inside a tiffin box along with a hand grenade and some splinters. The team said the school would have been majorly damaged if the bomb exploded as planned by the miscreants. The school authorities strongly condemned the act and urged those concerned not to repeat. Teachers of Catholic School Kanchipur, Parents Teachers Association, Local Guardian Association and Transport Union in a joint press release strongly condemns the planting of bomb at Catholic School Kanchipur today. The press release further urged not to repeat such act and not to create fear psychosis to children ever again. Meanwhile, proscribed Kangleipa Communist Party People's War Group Marxist Center in a press release claimed responsibility for planting of the bomb at Catholic school in Kanchipur. The outfit said an urban warfare team of the group planted the bomb as a last warning and as a last chance to Catholic Education Society to surrender for challenging the revolutionary group and for creating a business hub in the state. It further asserted that there was no incident of extortion from Catholic Education Society. KCP People's War Group also said they did not let the bomb explode, considering the students, teachers and the surrounding environment. The party urged the public not to take the incident in a negative light. Proscribed United National Liberation Front in a press release clarified that one Yumlembam Kelen from Kairao Bitra, who was arrested by the Assam Rifles in connection with the bombing incident at Imphal Polo Ground on February 7th, is not involved in the incident as he was dismissed from the party in 2014. The proscribed party said the actual persons involved in the bomb attack are kept secured in their unit. BJP Manipur Pradesh accorded a warm welcome to Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren upon his arrival at Imphal International Airport around 3 this afternoon. The Chief Minister was in New Delhi concerning the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Many BJP supporters escorted the Chief Minister to Hatta Kangjebung, where a reception ceremony was organized for him. It may be mentioned that over 30 anti-cap protesters sustained injuries during agitations against the contentious bill after it was passed in Lok Sabha on January 8. Chief Minister N. Biren, other state BJP leaders and leaders of other political parties from the state were camping in New Delhi to prevent passing of the bill in Rajya Sabha. BJP Manipur Pradesh expressed happiness and gave a warm welcome to Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren over the lapse of contentious Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019 in Rajya Sabha. Speaking in the reception ceremony held at Hapta Kangjibung today, Chief Minister N. Biren expressed that central leaders kept their words not to hurt the sentiments of people of northeast states, including Manipur. He reiterated that the victory over the bill was because of anti-cap movements initiated by civil society organizations, students' organizations, women folks and 11 political parties who left for Delhi to pressurize the centre not to pass the bill. Biren lamented that women vendors of Khairamban market were injured in the recent anti-cap protests. He welcomed suggestions from the public for effective governance, whether it be updating of NRC or any other concerns.
Praja mayam ke aduma movement Bharat Sarkar na tabi raga ngasi sigi film se lakpani aikoi di sumna pa kholoi oina se lobani sumna unaru bani credit ti praja mayam ge ngasa gi tobiri ba mayam satra sakri ima iber mayam adu gini aduna Manipur ki future kari tausige NRC drakar leibra population commission drakar leibra kari tausige khoi fencing ka drakar leibra police outpost karai de kari taw drakar lei koi punna nai ngaminarga mayam punna mugi suggestion advice leijari bai koi sarkar I was Sarkar Sina. I quit Mayam Geduk Mayam reasoning like a portador. I quit showing a targeting.
Chief Minister N. Biren asserted that BJP will rule Manipur for another 10 to 20 years. He expressed firm belief that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will become the Prime Minister once again. He asserted that even some opposition leaders support Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Chief Minister urged for joint efforts in facing issues of the state, keeping aside political differences. He appeals to the public not to storm MLA's residences or burnt effigies of government leaders in movements concerning social issues. Biren maintained that the government wants a peaceful state.
Mangi Tegu Sangdedo, BJP Sakar Akoi Manipur says Tara, Kunam the Yagiro Dorkano, Maram de Praza, Awa Ana, like the Larikis Hebato Wahero, Akoin Heli, Kazahi, but Hatara, Yamo put a take a policy, sing them Nusina Sakona Tabaka Warsa Queen Heli, like the Lariki, the Mukta Kanbar Queen Heli, Manipur, Gidamka Punba, Kaiwi Aro, and a Parasaka, Hajaraga, Yana Mungamuzo Queen Heli, BJP Kariki Karoi, and I for the near to Thinning Day, Carfu to Thumbing Day, Biggie, you may take the Rodi Carfu from the Aribo, MLS in Gim Sanatanga, take over there. Sukundo, with the Mayam, another corner of Kitan Tokzaki, Mayam, general people. Kitang suong wani mado waro bigano miyang gi punsi kan ba miyang gi lantung kan ba hai pasina sarkar ama paise rupa koi ki priority way.
NEIDP has appreciated all political parties, civil society organizations, students' bodies and women folks who took active roles in anti-cap protest in Manipur. Speaking to media at Salai office in Tera today, Central Working Committee President of Northeast India Development Party NEIDP, Narengbam Samarjit urged authority concerned to take up developmental works without the mechanism of social, political or economical division. He also said that NEIDP will launch a campaign soon to ensure free and fair upcoming election. Condemning trading of votes for money, he urged everyone to fully support the campaign to secure the future of the state. He further demanded authority concerned to initiate NRC upgrading of Manipur to check influx of illegal migrants in the state.
Tungda lakadaba generation singda kari orekadage kunai sigi kui lezi saktam da madu kitan khantaraga matungda de any karima political party amana magi opinion ama pongduk chama matamda party aduna haribo opinion do masagi magi personal matter oina lobi da bida magi kui lebak sigi issue oina khanbiraga issue du gi magi agenda du do oina maduda chakpi bai besa madu to honjaningi karigumba madu to dadana maduda atamna kanagumba amana kanagumba amabu magi personal oiba pot amada chingjallaga aikoi gi baiti gi manipuri gi language de yaudaba wai wota English ki thakta pukhalaga su hajadra oiraba Hindi ki thakta pukhalaga su hangoininga oiba wai wota season ko leragade North East India Development Party to be elected.
President of JDU Manipur State Unit Hangkhanpao Taitul asserted that people's joint movement led to the lapse of cap in Rajya Sabha. He also cautioned the people to keep alert until the bill is completely withdrawn from the parliament. Speaking to media at JDU office in New Chekon today, Hangkhanpao Taitul said that JDU shares the sufferings of those who sustained injuries during the anti-cap protest. On the other hand, the state JDU president criticized Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren of deceiving the people by showering praises and credits to the people's anti-cap movement for the lapse of the bill. Stating that no BJP MLA and minister took part in any of the anti-cap protest, Hangkhanpao Taitul urged people not to vote for BJP candidates anymore. The state JDU president asserted that JDU always stood against the bill even before it was produced in the House. He said the party has been in touch with volunteers of various student organizations in Northeast to take up precautionary measures against the bill. He said JDU national president even forewarned the possibility of introducing the bill earlier.
Anamasiamna Miyamgi Pangan ne Haire. Miyamgi Pangan Sigumba Lamsok Nananga Hek Leba Matamda Miyamna Mahut Shindana Tazaduna Tagat Pamising Sina Tumina Letuaga Parayana Tumba Chaba Namdana Leba Matamda Sukashutoro Kashutoro Hairaba Adubo Tungadi Parayagim Ihowaduna Kariumba Achievement Ama Hek Pangbakanda Parayabu Tagatari Haibagumba Asise a great betrayer motive ni Yam Haining de JDU Shengna Tamoy Shoi Puning Nung Shiba Pawi Masigi Matang si Aroy Banate Parliament na anytime Amuk Putorak Payay Sainadai ni Prorok Tawdri Aduna Elat Mihum Sing na labor type.
Representatives of SSUM, Masad, AMSO, RSF and AMSO extended aids to 2 women vendors of Kweramban Market who are undergoing treatment at RIMS after sustaining injuries in police scuffles in the recent anti-cap protest. Representatives of the students' organizations extended aids to Thaunojam Premila, 52 years, from Mutum Pibau, and Guru Mayum Lembisana, 47 years, from Thongju Part 2. Two memorandum of understandings were signed for exporting gingers of the state in the international market under Manipur Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region today. The MOUs were signed in the presence of Minister of Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Thaunojam Shyamkumar, at his office chamber in Babupara. The first MOU was signed between Northeastern Regional Agricultural Marketing Corporation Limited, Niramek, and Churachandpur-based Lahomi Organic Producer Company Limited, and the second MOU was signed between Imphal-based Nahakpam Food and Beverage and Frizol-based Manipur Agro Producer Cooperative Society Limited. As per the agreement signed, the companies can directly purchase first-class gingers produced by organic farmer societies under State Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department at the rate of 37 rupees per kg and second-class gingers at the rate ranging from 28 to 30 rupees. The signing companies will purchase 1,000 metric tons of gingers from the two societies per annum. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Thaunojam Shyamkumar asserted that the MOUs signed today will greatly benefit ginger farmers of the state. He appeals to all the farmers to register with the department to get timely benefits provided by the department. Principal Secretary of Horticulture and Soil Conservation J.C. Ramthanga, Director K. Kipgan, MoMA Project Director K. Devadatta Sharma, and officials of the Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department were present on the occasion.
Manipur da manung hanjan balaiba tunga Manipur singilam 90%, Belin 10%. Thing the potoi production mayam singasi siumba koina nerki kuthangda, media ki kuthangda, the topa company singna. La Akanta, Lebi Gadi, Hena Manipuki Semilunda, Pramasing Hen Pabuigania, said government holiday palming officers in Yamkana Honadana, Honabasi, instead of Sigil Mishingi, a sober, Mapananga Mania, hybrid element sign on Basina, Hena Lomishingi, Semilon and Pabu with a Manipuki Maruina, what is the palming some native Lomising, a pilt away, Atopa Topa, Masana, Marom Dom Tozaba, Lomising, what is the palming Momako Tanga, Resato Widana, organic, set no way but so Mating Pang.
Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on SSA and Ramsar teachers warning to boycott upcoming Lok Sabha elections if their demands are not met. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. SSA and Ramsar teachers warns to boycott the upcoming 2019 Lok Sabha election and to give up examination duty for class 10 and 12 board examinations if a permanent solution is not brought to their concerns before the election's code of conduct. The distraught teachers urging the government to pay regular salary stage sit-ins under the initiative of joint SSA and Ramsar teachers at ZEO Zone 1 office in Koyathong and at ZEO Zone 2 office in Porampat today. Various placards that read "No pay, no work, we are not robots," etc. were displayed during the protest meets. The teachers are on ceased work strike since February 4 in demand for due salaries for the regularized SSA and Ramsar teachers recruited in 2011, 2012, 2014 and 2016 and to promote qualified teachers.
Me amana 7 months tolo phangta ba se chahi tangkhai amadi akhoi se kaimta yaudana paisa nungsa kaimta season nabal leitana school ka duini school ka ba haise baratingi ama tawi chai su sem duini adagi sana ba thakna ba adi si myam se loina kano taw matam da yam wa ba condition am da oire aduna akhoi gi government na solution ama puraktri baudi akhoi se dharana tawba natraga any type of another agitation makha sathagi gani
koina changsali ba khongjang se sina loiba sunate akoina sarkar da han haijari haibadi akoina lakadaba की ड्यूटी सो कोई अमत लौरोय एग्जामिनेशन की ड्यूटी सो अमत लौरोय बॉयकॉट तौगनी लाकदोरिबा इलेक्शन सिगी ममांग सिदा कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट सिगी ममांग सिदा करिगुंबा खोंसंग अमत लौखत पिरक्तबा तारगदी कोई सिदगी हेना साथिबा एक्शन लौखलकनी अदुगा कोई एजिटेशन मखन मखन की सो कोई तैयारी द
Local residents indefinitely blocked the road from Ningthemcha Karong to Kwaketel Konjeng Lekai Kaunathabi, leading to Airport Road until the road is repaired. Women folks of the area staged a sit-in on Kwaketel Konjeng Lekai Kaunathabi Road today. Speaking to Impact News, a protester, Hijam Binokumari, expressed disappointment that the deplorable condition of the almost 1.5 kilometer stretch of road was left ignored by the government for a long time, bringing immense inconveniences to commuters. She maintained that people in the area are facing major health hazards due to the dusty road. The protester appeals to the Chief Minister and the Works Minister to address their concerns without further delay.
Ningthemcha Karong dagi airport taba lambi se aduki matik phatre haiba lambi si matam khara tha manga toki mamangda JCB na khotoga lambi je thagani haina toramba mali adubu akhoina lambi tharakadra na ngaijabani lambi je thada na chakkhare aduga laiba area se laiba miyoi singse aduki matik laina ondore upun paichandana sagi upun duna laina ondana angang mayam ju doctor da pukhana gre ko jikse aduna haji se lambi se works minister amadi chief minister gi miyeng changma pami lambi thingba sige mangani sujare adubu sigi manung kanagumba jiba mata laktana khogi lambi je semge haba adagidi sije sumai tori haba kanamta hangba laktri.
Traffic Police, Manipur and Lions Club, Greater Imphal jointly carried out a traffic awareness campaign on the theme "Follow Traffic Rules, Stay Safe" on Valentine's Day today. Traffic Police presented red roses and certificates to riders with helmets and traffic law abiders in appreciation for obeying traffic rules. SP of Traffic Police, Koishnam Sharma, Secretary of Lions Club Greater Imphal Irom Umakanta and Board of Director member S. Samarjit took part in the campaign held at the Western Gate of Kangla today.
Love yourself, be safe and make your road safe. Haibagi pandamda aikoina campaign asi pantuk chabani pantuk jariba campaign asi da rules singbu follow to biduna isabu nungsi jaduna isagi thawai bu nungsi biduna lambi chatpa miyo emoina traffic rule follow to busingda akoina commendation certificate loina na as a token of love rose amam pizari. Be safe, please follow traffic roads.
2 women weavers of Manipur were felicitated during the national conclave held on the theme "Creating Synergy for MSMEs in Textile Sector" yesterday. The Ministry of Textiles, Government of India organized the ceremony at Dr. Ambedkar International Center, Janpat in New Delhi. The 2 weavers from Manipur are Kangjam Labina Chanu, 26 years, daughter of K. Binoy from Bamon Kampu, Imphal West. For Divyang women, left body paralysis, speech impaired category, and L. Achogbi, 47 years, wife of R.K. Rojan from Wangkai, Tokpam Leka, Imphal West for women category. A book to facilitate textiles business written in 10 languages was also released on the occasion. Altogether, 12 weavers from across the country were felicitated in the event, graced by Minister for Textiles Smriti Zubin Irani and Minister of State for Textile Ajay Tamta. Bhairop Nolini Foundation Manipur presented food items to Raja Dambar Singh Women Home Nongwebung in memory of late Chongtham Bhairop and Sarungbam Ningol Chongtham Ongbi Lolini Devi today. It may be mentioned that the foundation provided aids to Takhil Blind School last year. Moray Battalion Headquarters Assam Rifles organized one-day veterinary camp at Chavangphai village in Tengnopal district today. One officer of 14 Mobile Field Veterinary Hospital and 3 staff carried out the camp with the assistance of Regimental Medical Officer and Town Commander, where over 885 livestock were checked up. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah conveyed her heartiest greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Naga community, on the joyous occasion of Luingai Ni festival. The governor said the festival, which has come to be recognized as a tourist festival, occupies a unique position not only among the Nagas but even among other communities. She said the festival brings together different communities towards the goals of peace, harmony and humanism, irrespective of caste or religion. Chief Minister Nongthumbam Biren also conveyed his heartiest greetings to the people of Manipur and in particular to Naga brethren on the auspicious and joyous occasion of Luingai Ni, the seed sowing festival of Nagas. The Chief Minister wished for a peaceful, prosperous and communal harmony in the state with the coming of the festival. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit also conveyed his greetings to everyone, especially to Naga community on the occasion of Luingai Ni festival. The minister wished for love, peace and unity among all inhabitants of the state. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham also conveyed his greetings to everyone, especially to Naga community on the occasion of Luingai Ni festival. He wished for the festival to bring peace, love and harmony in the state. Forest Minister T.A. Shamkumar also conveyed his greetings to everyone on the occasion of Luingai Ni festival. The minister wished for love, peace and unity among all communities of the state.
Luingai Ni lakpada Manipur taminariba Kanglup Jati amadi dharma kyanaba thamdana santi purakpa oirasanu amadi hari festival asina maruoina Manipur gi naga singda anauba apunbagi nungsi chanabagi inonam haptuna Bahat Bangkanba Manipur Santi Laiba Nungshina Bisi Mawirasuna Haidana Manipur Mediagi Kudanga Manipur Pazamiam Marun Naga Singda Nungsiba Amadia Politipizari.
North East India Development Party NIDP State Unit President Daukhomang Kongsai also conveyed his heartiest greetings to the people of the state on the occasion of Luingai Ni festival. Secretary to Chief Minister in a press release informed that the combined Hills Leaders Day and People's Day will be held at Chief Minister's Secretariat on February 23. Now the sports news. Manipur team beat Pondicherry team by 80 runs in under-23 men's cricket one-day league and knockout tournament. In yesterday's match at Vikas Cricket Ground in Bhubaneswar, Manipur won the toss and chose to bat first. Manipur scored 126 runs in 50 over with 10 wicket down. In the first innings, Manipur's batsman Aman made 54 runs, Nitesh made 37 runs and Langyon Yamba made 35 runs. In the second innings, Pondicherry made just 136 runs in 30 over and 1 ball with 10 wicket down. Manipur's bowler V.A. Yadav took 4 wickets and Aman took 2 wickets while Kishan and Vikas took 1 wicket each. Manipur will play its second match against Sikkim. The cricket tournament held under BCCI will continue till March 15. OLT Sejang and CHYUC Chalo defeated their opponents in the 9th Chalo Cup Lamlai Kendra Village Vice and Invitees Men's Open Football Tournament. In the first league match played today, OLT Sejang defeated YNC Harauro 1-0. Santosh scored the lone winning goal at the 24th minute. While in the second league match, CHYUC Chalo beat FC Napet 2-0. For the winners, M. Manisana and S. Gautam scored 1 goal each at 21st and 23rd minute of the match. 26 football teams divided into 6 groups are competing in the football tournament organized by Chalo Youth Union Club. 2 subsequent league matches will be played tomorrow. 5 footballers from Manipur are playing for the Indian team in the qualifying round of Under-23 AFC held under Asian Football Confederation. All India Football Federation selected Kiam Amarjit, Boris Thangjam and Suresh Wangjam as midfielders, while Dheeraj Morangthem and Mohammad Nawaz were selected as goalkeepers to play in the qualifying round at Lokomotiv Stadium, Tashkent in Uzbekistan from March 22 onwards. Group F teams, which comprises of Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Pakistan and India, will compete with each other in league matches, out of which 2 teams will be selected. In the qualifying round, India will face Tajikistan on March 22nd, Uzbekistan on March 24th and Pakistan on March 26th. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Unknown miscreants plant IED weighing around 5 kg in a tiffin box at Catholic school in Kanchipur this morning. Parents and school authorities strongly condemn the act. BJP Manipur Pradesh accords warm welcome to Chief Minister Nongthong Bombiren at Hatta Kangjibung, says government wants a peaceful state. Private companies and organic farmer societies sign MOUs for ginger export under Manipur Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern region. And SSA and Ramsa teachers want to boycott upcoming Lok Sabha elections and to give up board examinations duty if their demands are not met before elections, Code of Conduct.